Hey everyone, so today we're gonna be doing a little temp check, doing some temp checks on my air conditioner to see how much degrees is it. First one is my room essentials fan. It's 70 degrees. It's a Thermin Pro. I got this from, what is it called? I'm playing GTA right now. Got this on Amazon. Here's my air conditioner. And we'll do my room one, and then this is a little quick video. Alright, it's on low. Getting 40. Let me switch hands. There we go. We're getting like 40 degrees. 30, around 30. And now, high. It's gonna get really cold. We're down to 38 degrees. Turn the laser off. Look at that. Alright, I'm put it back on low. Alright, now the 12,000 Frigidaire. Alright, we'll put it on cool mode. First low. We're getting 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, now medium. Oh my god, that's cold. We're getting 44 degrees now, high. Ooh, that's cold. And it just went off because it's on auto. Where's Mimi? Is she here?
What?
Oh, I thought Mimi was here. Because I thought I heard her voice. Alright, now the 5,000 BTU higher. I'm going to start on low first. This is only a 2-speed. Oh, it's cold. I want it to go on and off, so I'm going to put it on 6. Getting like 40 degrees down high. It's going to get colder than that. Holy crap. Whoa, 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 whoa. 41. Now, what about my PlayStation 4? Alright, hold on. Alright, did we do the fan yet? Let's do the fan now. It's blowing 80 degrees because it's hot and it doesn't blow any cold air. And it's because the motor's on. The motor, those little yellow thing, I don't know what it's called. PlayStation is 104, 103, I don't know. On my TV screen. I'm ending the video here.